At Super Hairpieces, we believe in continuous innovation to give our customers the best a hair system can offer. With this as our primary focus, we are proud to introduce our latest design, the M100N hair system, part of the M100 family. The M100N features a narrow base coverage designed to provide maximum comfort, breathability, and style. This advanced hair system delivers a completely natural-looking hairline, giving you the confidence to look and feel your best. Similar to the M100, the M100N is a monofilament silk top hair system. It measures 6 inches left to right and 9 inches front to back. It can be cut down to 4 inches and 3/4 left to right by 7.5 inches front to back. It also features a folded lace front, creating a realistic and seamless front hairline that blends effortlessly with your natural hair. With a medium density of 120%, the M100N is crafted using high-quality, soft, and fine Indian Remy hair. This makes it the perfect choice for anyone looking for real human hair systems to conceal hair loss. Whether you prefer a sleek, professional look or a more casual style, the M100N effortlessly adapts to your preferences. The M100N also includes a clear poly perimeter, 1 inch in the front, 1.5 inches on the sides, and 2 inches at the back. This design ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight and breathable feel. At Super Hairpieces, we're committed to delivering solutions that enhance both style and confidence. Visit Super Hairpieces today to learn more and find the perfect hair system for you. For more videos like this, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time.